Hey guys, this is Zachary here, and today we are unboxing the OnePlus 6. So this is the limited edition, the white silk, and if you know, this comes in the 8 gigabytes of RAM model with 128 gigs of storage, which comes in at $579, which isn't bad. So, considering the price, you get a Snapdragon 845, an Adreno 630, and you can get all the way from 6 gigabytes of RAM to 8 gigabytes of RAM. You also can get 64 gigs of storage all the way up to 256 gigs of storage. The display has a 6.28-inch AMOLED display. However, it's 1080p, and looking at it, it still looks really, really well. I think OnePlus executed a really, really great job on getting the display calibrated, and again, it just looks really, really well. This is a 19:9 aspect ratio, so it is really tall. It kind of feels like the iPhone 8 Plus, just a little bit thinner. It's not as wide. It does have two rear cameras. The main sensor is a 16 megapixel camera with a 1.7 f-stop, and the second one is a 20 megapixel camera with a 1.7 f-stop. You can also do 4K at 60, 1080 at 60. You could do slow-mo at 1080 for 240 frames per second. The front camera is a 16 megapixel camera as well. So I'll be making another video on the OnePlus 6. If you have any questions, comment below so that I can answer them. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you know when the next video comes out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.